Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Hey family, I think I really found a great opportunity for us with this stock, Immersion. Truly small cap stock, and I want to read this article to you before I move on. Immersion, the thing behind the thing for PlayStation 5. A small cap company could be the way to play the early success of the PlayStation 5. Strong demand for the PlayStation 5, retailers like Walmart and Best Buy are struggling to keep up with the demand of the PlayStation 5 console from Sony Corporation. In Japan, the console sold out in its first day as retailers held draws to see who got supply due to the limited number of available consoles. On Amazon's video game bestseller list, PlayStation 5 related games hold high ranks, with a gift card for PlayStation in the #1 spot as of November 15th. In July, I wrote about the demand of PlayStation 5 rising from 5 million to 6 million consoles sold in 2020 and up to 10 million units. The PlayStation 4 took 8 months to ship 10 million units. The thing behind the thing, the small cap company Immersion Corporation is powering the DualSense controllers for the PlayStation 5. Immersion is a haptics technology company that creates the vibration and sense technology that makes people feel their controllers react to gameplay. Sony and Immersion has a licensing deal that sees Immersion earn a royalty on every controller sold. The console comes with one controller, but Immersion believes people also want more advanced controllers. The Verge reports on how the DualSense controller makes games better with its haptic vibrations. The article highlights a game called Astro's Playroom that comes with the console. In Astro's Playroom, gamers can experience the crunch of the sand, cracking of the glass, and elastic tension from pulling a rope. Financials. Immersion reported third quarter revenue of $7.6 million, which beat a consensus of $7.45 million. Earnings per share of 15 cents beat estimates of 9 cents per share. The company reached a profitability of GAAP basis in the third quarter. Immersion ended the third quarter with $56 million in cash. All right, so they don't have any debt. Cash on hand is good. They always can use that for future investments and also hiring, great employees. All right, so what's next? All eyes should be on the overall sales figures for the PlayStation 5 to see how many initial consoles were sold. Immersion's next quarterly earnings could show the strength of a Sony license. Deals with LG for mobile and Jeep for the upcoming Jeep Wagoneer are also items to watch. Strong adaptation from DualSense controller could lead to more deals for Immersion's technology in the gaming market. Immersion could be a buyout target for a gaming or hardware company to gain access to the haptic technology and patents owned by the company. Shares of Immersion were down 4% on Friday to 7.67. Shares are up to year to date. Wow, now this is a great opportunity here. All right, so this article was on November 15th. All right, now let's take a look at the sales. As of right now, PlayStation forecast unit sales for the PlayStation 5 worldwide from 20 to 24. So Sony is expected to sell 4.6 million PlayStations in 2020. And now let's think about that. Each PlayStation comes with a controller, and quite naturally, people will buy an additional controller. All right, because it's quite natural to just have two controllers. And I've always been a long time PlayStation gamer, mainly the football game. I don't play as much as I used to anymore. I really don't play that much anymore. But PlayStation has always been one of the best consoles out there. All right, and so again, there is a demand for up to 10 million. It took PlayStation 4 8 years to sell 10 million units, and now by 2021, PlayStation may sell up to 17 million. So that is a huge plus. All right, again, let's just take a look at Immersion. All right, right now, pre-market, it's at 1182. Yesterday it closed at 942. The company has a $253 million market cap. The 52 week range for the stock was 423 to a high of 1086, and we do have a lot of value, over almost 6 million in value. Again, as the article stated, has over 50 million in cash on hand. So that is always a great plus for a company, especially a small company like this. Now, again, let's take a look at the chart. So, throughout the all of 2020, it's been holding pretty good, pretty solid, stable company. At the beginning of the year, it did drop as expected, as most companies did, but we also made a good rebound, and we'll stand between the I would say $7 and $9 mark. All right, so we had a high of $9.19 here before a slight pullback, but again, news is spreading about this company, and they're going to have an earnings date coming up. And based on the earnings, this company has a huge potential to take off. And this is what's this is the most important reason why this stock could take off and have, just a huge run up. And that is the outstanding shares. All right. So again, we are used to seeing companies with, 250 million to 9 to 10 billion shares outstanding. So this company only has 26 million shares outstanding. So that is an extremely low float. And so all it takes for, a few people to start buying shares, picking up 1 million shares, a million here, a million there. And this company, the stock is going to take off. And so, leading up to the earnings, this stock could actually double based on the amount of news that gets out and the amount of people that start to become aware of this company. All right, again, put this on your watch list. Do your due diligence, do a little bit of research. But I really, I know I am taking a position on this stock at the open. All right, and again, you should really consider this stock. Only 26.9 million shares outstanding. This thing could fly. This thing could take off like a rocket. So hey, I just wanted to bring that to you. Hey, thanks for checking me out. I gotta go, but hey, don't forget, keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.